Big Mac fried rice, let's go. This is definitely one of those things that shouldn't exist. But look where we are now. Enough fucking around, let's get started. We got a whole ass mission in front of us. We gotta study the mac, the meat, the bun, and the sauce. I gotta say, after taking it apart, the ingredients look like something that we would play with when we were kids. Subscribe if you wanna see chocolate fried rice. We're gonna make mini croutons with the buns, cause why not, right? Next, we're gonna mince up the driest patty in the world. Not even a speck of oil was left on the cutting board. See my shirt? I'm actually hamburglar. Croutons looking perfect as well. We're all set, let's head over to the wok. Don't flame me for not using a flame wok. Funny thing is, home designers in Canada don't believe in flame. They believe in electricity. Cause after moving here, I have not seen a gas stove. Oh, have you met my best friend? Her name is MSG, and today she will be helping us out. She is one flavorful girl. If you haven't had her before, try her out. She can give you the best ride of your life. Big Mac fried rice, 3 out of 5 rice.